How to unsend invite message on your Instagram updated. The first thing you need to do is check if your Instagram is updated. The first thing is open your Play Store or your App Store to check this information. So tap in Play Store app and in search you will need to write Instagram, okay? And tap in go. Wait for a few seconds. In this icon, if the Instagram wasn't updated, it will show update message. Just tap in update, wait for a few seconds and tap open again, okay? After that, the message you send, for example, I'll tap in MTV and I'll tap MTV again and then send a message. I already checked this message. Hi, I'll send it for him. You just need to hold in the message and it will show all of these messages. You just need to tap in unsend, okay? And unsend again. Okay, message unsent. Unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still be included if the conversation is reported. Okay, all will be done. If your Instagram doesn't have these options, you just need to open your Instagram from any browser. For example, I'll open the Instagram with my Google Chrome and you just need to open the incognito tab, tapping right here, or a private page if you are using iPhone, and tapping right here on Instagram, instagram.com, tap go, and you need to access from your browser. Tap in login. You must log in into your account with the web page and you can go in the message inside your browser and that options will show for you. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Don't forget, please leave a comment down here. Oh, thank you, it works. If this step-by-step doesn't work, comment what happened here, because here we bring all tutorials for you about our comments. Thank you, my dear friend. Until the next video, stay with God and see ya.